देखिए अभी तक आप लोगों ने जो नौकरी यूज किया है, you have used naukri.com. Whenever I will use word naukri, it means naukri.com. Naukri, not related to employment. आप लोगों ने, you all have used naukri.com as a date. Now I am logging in naukri.com as an employer. You have used this as a job seeker. Now we are हम कर रहे हैं as a job provider. Since I am the master user of this naukri.com, I have many options. Like I can choose among various login IDs. तो चलिए मैं अपने ही use करता हूँ. तो once you log in into naukri.com page, this is the home page which looks like this, which speaks about all those postings which we have done. This is the posting or search we have done. This is the criteria. This is, and then you will get options of searching resumes, post. So let's start with finding resumes. Search resume. Once you enter into this resume wala field, you will get these many options. Now let's create a position. We need to have some position जिसको हम आउट करेंगे. यहाँ पे मैं लिखता जाता हूँ. Now you need to help me which position, on which position we should find this resume. ऋषभ नहीं, किसको मैं बोलूँ? सुविज्ञा, you tell me a position only. मैनेजर, HR, VP, finance, कुछ भी पोजीशन आप बोलिए. Hello, Suvigya, can you tell me a position? Let's take manager HR, the position. Experience range, ऋषभ आप बोलो कितना एक्सपीरियंस ले हम लोग इसमें?
So 2 to 4 years.
3 to 4 years.
5 to 6 I think. Manager HR 3 to 4 में I doubt मिलेगा.
ठीक है, 5 to 6. निखिल, टेल मी क्या CTC बजट रखे हम लोग? इतना टाइम लगेगा तो मुश्किल. लोकेशन
Delhi NCR.
इंडस्ट्री यू वांट टू पुट, इंडस्ट्री यू वांट टू गिव कि हमें इसी इंडस्ट्री से ही चाहिए.
So automobile.
ठीक है, तो एंड द JD इज जर्नलिस्ट प्रोफाइल. हाँ, ऐसा कुछ. The role is not that any specific one or expertise one. It is generalist profile. The person would be taking care of entire gamut of HR, right from recruitment, training and development, payroll, statutory compliances, and everything. HR, BPO role, generalist profile. Now, coming to this, any keyword is a non-mandatory field. This is whatever. Naukri purely depends upon your logic, your ability to put logic and use keywords. Any keyword may you can put n number of keywords. Naukri will choose any keyword and try to find out that word in every resume. और उसे अगर वो word किसी resume में मिल जाए तो उसको निकाल के दे देगी. Anybody in the team has used naukri.com earlier as a recruiter or as an employer?
Yes sir. Yes sir.
You have done that. You have, ठीक है.
Yes sir.
So any keyword में अभी we would be doing search on manager HR, and then the next word is all keyword. These are must have. इसमें आप जितने भी keywords डालोगे, 2, 3, 1, Naukri will give you resume including these words. Naukri एक भी वैसा resume नहीं देगी जिनमें ये सब words नहीं होंगे. First is any keyword. आप पता है कि एक HR जर्नलिस्ट के resume में क्या कीवर्ड होगा? All keywords में all mandatory words जो आपको उस resume में चाहिए. Let's try. हाँ, अगर इस HR मैनेजर के प्रोफाइल पे काम कर रहे हैं जिसमें 3 से 4 साल के एक्सपीरियंस है, हम उस एक HR के रिज्यूमे में क्या क्या होगा, क्या क्या रिज्यूमे हो सकता है आप बताओ. कीवर्ड हम लोग, लेट्स सेलेक्ट द कीवर्ड. अच्छा ऐसे नहीं बोलोगे तो इट इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट. Akshita, you tell me what keywords.
HR generalist, HR operations,
HR ठीक है. जर्नलिस्ट ऑपरेशन
Leaves and
जर्नलिस्ट
attendance management.
Payroll
payroll,
management.
पेरोल लीव्स. हाँ. ये क्या?
Talent
Statutory
management.
compliances.
Compliances.
रिक्रूटमेंट होगा. ठीक है. फाइन. पेरोल बोला था किसी ने. पेरोल गलत बोला था
Onboarding.
मैं.
payroll सर आ गया
Onboarding.
ऑनबोर्डिंग. सारे ठीक है. इतना वर्ड लेते हैं. नाउ नौकरी विल गिव यू ऑल दोज रिज्यूमेस जिसमें सिर्फ ऐसा लिखा हो वो भी निकाल के दे देगा. Naukri.com आपको वो रिज्यूमे भी दे देगी जिसमें सिर्फ ऑनबोर्डिंग लिखा होगा. दिस इज एनी वर्ड्स. Naukri will try to find out any of these word on all resume it has. Suppose a accounts guy who has mentioned payroll in his resume will also come to you because Naukri will try to find out any of these word on all resumes. ऐसा नहीं है कि नौकरी will find payroll and HR both तभी नौकरी will give you that resume. नौकरी will give all resume which will carry any of these words. ठीक है. These are
For example, compliances we've written in any, so any legal guy CV will also be pulled out.
correct.
Because
Fine.
legal
So any words दे दिए.
Hmm.
ठीक है. Now would you like to give me must have words which should be there मतलब which must be there in the resumes?
Recruitment.
Once we have mentioned recruitment here, Naukri will not give us any resume where recruitment word is not there. Even if all the words of any keyword is there, ऊपर में recruitment भी है, उसको हम निकाल देता है अगर any में से. Suppose any resume has got HR, journalist, leave, payroll, onboarding and salary. All these words are there. But if recruitment word is not there, Naukri will not give you that resume. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
All keywords means it is must have. ऊपर के any keywords के कोई word रहे या ना रहे, this is must to be there in resume. Fine. और कोई word देना है आपको?
Payroll.
You people are going to make my search very difficult, huh? Look, all keywords narrow your search. Any keywords expand your search. Any keyword will keep on adding more resume. मतलब कोई भी word मिल गया, Naukri will keep on adding that resume. All keyword will go down, narrowing your search and come down to the fine. Recruitment and payroll. What number is this? 70? I don't know. Excluding keywords. Suppose you want to have resumes where these words should not be there. Okay, I am not looking for resume of those person who are taking care of admin function. So I can add this. Okay, somebody is cooking in the kitchen, so let me mute all.
So even you have become mute. Dheeraj, I think you need to unmute, sir.
Now the experience range which we have taken for the position is 5 to 6 years, right? यहाँ
Yes,
पे
sir.
here we have taken experience range 5 to 6 years. The Naukri asked for total experience range. So in spite of mentioning 5 to 6, I have mentioned 4 to 7. 5 to 6 is very narrow criteria. Probably we will find very less resume. There are clients like Asian Paint. If Asian Paint has said that they are looking for people with 5 to 6 years, they will not accept any resume which has got 4.5 years of experience. 5 ही चाहिए या 6 ही चाहिए, no dilution. Fine. तो यहाँ पे I have taken 1 year less and 1 year more. Now the annual salary which was the budget of this position is 10 lakhs. Now Pragna, can you tell me what CTC, when the budget is 10 lakhs, what should I put in this annual salary, minimum and maximum?
You can put it as 8 LPA.
8 is the minimum, okay.
And the max is 11 or up to 12.
Look, the budget is 10 lakhs only.
Okay, you can put it
Okay,
as
okay, fine.
Nine.
Experience range we will expand. We will not expand the CTC range because company has their own budget. Look, if company is looking for someone with 5 years experience, it would be okay to explore someone with 6 years. 5 to 6 is okay. But when comes to CTC budget or the salary, it is, you will rarely find someone who can go above the budget unless the position is very critical. So if the budget is 10, what I will put? I will put all people 6 to 9. I will not ask for those resumes where the person is getting less than 6 lakhs of resume. Like anybody who is getting 5 lakhs, I would not like to share his resume for a position of 10 lakhs. So anybody who is getting 6 lakhs will ask either 8 or 9. 9, why 9 lakhs? Why 9 as a maximum I have taken? Because nowadays people are okay to move at the same salary or slightly 5-10% increment. So 6 to 9 I have taken. There is a small checkbox which says that include candidates who did not mention their salary. While creating profile in Naukri, Naukri gives you a freedom to not disclose your salary. You can put your salary as 0.
This has recently been added, I guess, no? This was not there earlier.
This was there.
Long.
Yes.
This is there since long.
This was
So
there.
Yes.
all those candidates, this is there since long. All those candidates who have deliberately not mentioned their salary, they do not want everybody to know their salary, will leave this salary column, and when you search their resume under CTC, it will come 0. So, if we do not check this box, we will leave those candidates who have not mentioned their CTC. Now, current location. Our location is, the location which we have taken is Delhi NCR. So, you will get all option here. So, Delhi NCR I have taken. Now, what is the search I have designed so far? I am looking for those resumes which have any of these words: HR, journalist, leaves, compliances, recruitment, payroll, onboarding, and salary, which must have these 2 words, recruitment and payroll, and which should not have this word in the resume. And the candidate should have experience of 4 to 7 years, must have CTC of from 6 to 9. This will not give you resume of anyone who is getting 9,10,000. उसका resume भी नहीं आएगा. 9 lakhs means 9 lakhs. 7 years मतलब 7 years. Naukri will not give you any resume where the person's experience is more than 7 years. These criteria are, once you have mentioned, Naukri do not have their its own mind. It will work as per your instruction. Whatever instruction you will give, Naukri will simply follow that. So we have done the major part. Now there are some, yeah, this location is very tricky. यहाँ पे you are asking for only those resumes who are currently based out at Delhi. You can also check this and mention that current location is Delhi NCR and give me those resumes whose preferred location is Delhi. This you can also do. If I'm not able to make you understand, do raise your hand or ask question. This is something where good recruiter do a lot of play. This and or is there. Now Naukri will give me all those resumes whose current location is Delhi and also those resumes whose preferred location is Delhi and NCR. It means Naukri will first try to source people from Delhi, then it will look pan-India. It will look candidates sitting at Chennai also and try to find out whether this candidate's preferred location is Delhi NCR or not. ये समझ में आ, मैं क्लियर कर पा रहा हूँ?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, तो ये हो गया. यहाँ पे मैंने एंड किया था. अगर मैं इसे और कर दूं तो दिल्ली एनसीआर के तो अच्छा इसमें एंड ओके ओके दिस सर्च इसमें we will get only those resumes who are currently at Delhi and whose preferred location is Delhi. Anybody who is based out at Delhi but looking out for something in Mumbai, उसका रिज्यूम नहीं आएगा. Current candidate's current location should be Delhi and his preferred location should also be Delhi. तभी आएगा उसका रिज्यूमे. This search will not look for candidates who are not based out at Delhi. Delhi से बाहर के कैंडिडेट को ये देखेगा ही नहीं. We are not asking Naukri to look for candidates who are based out of Delhi. First instruction we are giving Naukri that look for candidates who are currently based out at Delhi. Look for only those candidates who are currently at Delhi and also ensure that their preferred location is Delhi. So by this search, Naukri will not go beyond the location of Delhi and NCR. If I change it to or, then what Naukri will do? Naukri will look for all those resumes who are based out at Delhi, or it will look for all those resumes whose preferred location is Delhi NCR, irrespective of whether the person is sitting at.
Irrespective of the current location.
Correct. Okay, 1 minute. Sonali, are you able to understand what I am telling? Let me do a reality check. थोड़ा सा technical ज़्यादा हो जा रहा. Akshita, are you getting Jayadeva? Are you understanding everything?
Yes, sir. I'm understanding. Yes.
ठीक है, fine. So let's start with those person whose current location is Delhi and whose preferred location is also Delhi. This search will not give you a resume of those candidates who are currently based out at Delhi but wants to move to Bangalore, whose preferred location is Bangalore. Done. So major part we have done. Now there are employment details, functional area. Since the person is from HR, we should. There are many functions, right? When you click this function, you will find all functions: accounting, architects, art director, hotels, content journalist, banking, corporate, ITS. So similarly, we need to select HR and admin because we are looking for HR role. Now, industry, as Rishabh said, the company, we should look for candidates only from automobile background. So we will get options of selecting industries as well. ऊपर में we have selected function. Now industry. There are many industries. Accounting is one industry. Advertising, agriculture, animation. Now, auto ancillary we can select. Rishabh, am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, we can select one more industry. I think there is an industry by the name of manufacturing.
Yes.
So manufacturing is not there. ठीक, automobile ही ठीक. So there, यहाँ पे we can select multiple industries. Auto का आ गया, manufacturing का अलग से industry I thought. So you can select 2-3 industries which is related one. Employers is, suppose you are working with Maruti and you want to hire someone who is working with Honda. So this is employer search. You are finding candidates who are working with few particular companies. Here you can put names. Suppose we are looking for people only from Maruti or Honda or Toyota. So this you can also do, fine. After following above, please.
Sir,
Please.
sir, we may disconnect in next 10 minutes. So if you get disconnected, please join in again with the same last link. Huh?
Okay. यहाँ पे वो दिक्कत है. Fine. 10 मिनट में ठीक है. So here we can put the choice of employer. Now, after following above all instructions, Naukri will try to match employer in the resume. Again, here we have got two options. You can choose Maruti, Honda or Toyota as the current employer or previous employer or any of above. Maruti, even if somebody's previous employer is Maruti, Naukri will give you that resume. If somebody's present employer is Honda, fine. I hope this is clear. Previous and present. Exclude employer. You can also exclude that from this company I will not hire. If you are sitting at कौन सा कंपनी बच गया मारुति होंडा टोयोटा के बाद? Hyundai. Mahindra. Okay. So since you are in Mahindra and you don't want to see resume of candidates who are working with Mahindra, so you can exclude that employer. Clear? ऊपर में employer is your choice from where you want to see the candidate. Exclude, you can exclude. Designation, if you want to write manager or assistant manager or anything. Notice period is anything. Educational qualification, you can select undergraduate, postgraduate, PG diploma. Suppose for this position you are looking for someone who is full-time MBA. So it is PG course. Any management or management from top rank college. Then you will get option to select the course as well. The postgraduate, graduate in what? So these are all top rated institutes. Specific PG. Okay.
Sir, if you will just type in MBA, then you'll get the option. Yeah.
ठीक है. यहाँ पे I am mentioned MBA PGDM. Now I have got the option to choose specialization. HR and industrial relation I have selected. Year of graduation you can put, but these things. And now last one is important. Active in 6 months. This plays a very important role. I want to view only those resumes who are active in last 6 months. either they have updated their profile or they have applied to any kind of job. Any resume which is not active since last 1 year, there is no point of looking to that person is not active, not actively looking for any job. So normally I keep 6 months. Anybody who is looking for job or active as job seekers in last 6 months, I will ask for only those resume. ठीक है, अभी let's search. हम लोग क्लियर कर लेते हैं क्या क्या हम लोगों ने एनी वर्ड्स इतने सारे डाले, ऑल वर्ड्स में इतने डाले, एडमिन को एक्सक्लूड करें, एनी रिज्यूमे विच अभी जितने भी रिज्यूमे जाएंगे उसमें यू विल नॉट फाइंड एडमिन, यू विल फाइंड दीज टू वर्ड एज मस्ट. चलो सर्च. So in the red, no result found for this search. Please modify search criteria. So we together as a team has set a very wrong search. Now we will go back to search and modify that. मैं क्या करता हूँ, admin को delete करता हूँ. I have this excluding keyword admin I have removed. Now again I am searching. Now I have got only one resume. The criteria which we have put, any of the word, these two mandatory words, working in Delhi and whose preferred location is Delhi, salary range from that and that, so and so many qualifications, matching all criteria, we have got only one resume. This person is working as senior executive HR at Krishna Maruti. So why Naukri is not able to give more resume? Because our search is very tough. We have given choices more than required. We are asking for candidate only from these 3 companies, and the person should not be working with Mahindra. Person should have 4 to 7 years experience. CTC भी इसके पीछे होनी चाहिए. His current location should be Delhi and preferred should be Delhi only. And then with the qualification which we have selected is huge. मतलब तो मैं अब if we want to इसमें से we can reduce the non-important criteria. Suppose let me reduce from here. I am not looking for other MBAs. I am looking for MBAs only. I have removed Mahindra. I have removed this company also. Now let's try. Now I have got 47. ठीक है, after rejoining we will do a new search. इसमें अभी तक any doubt, anything which you want to see, want to ask?
No, sir.
Hello, are you there or everybody got disconnected?
Yes, sir. Yes, it's clear.
Yes, sir, we are there.
ठीक है, anybody who wants to find their boss resume, we can help them out. तो ये हम लोगों ने जब क्लास में किया था, क्लासरूम ट्रेनिंग में, तो everybody tried to find out their boss resume. The very first search was that they were looking for their boss. So ठीक है, this is one. अभी तो हम लोगों ने HR का बहुत सिंपल किया है. Sometimes we get resume criteria like do not share me resume of male candidates. Do not share me resume of female candidates. Now how can we block these things? मतलब getting अगर client is asking for only male, then we have to stop getting females resume. ठीक है, कितने टाइम बचे हैं धीरज? 2-3 मिनट बचा होगा.
हाँ सर,
ठीक है, like मैंने जो exclude employer वाला किया, this is something which is very bothering one, location वाला, ये इसको भी हटा सकते हैं. Now 47 आए थे, अब और ज्यादा आ जाएंगे, 71 आ गए. ठीक है, तो सर्च एक और डिस्कस कर लेंगे अगर आप हम चाहते हो तो, या फिर जॉब पोस्टिंग. ठीक है, कंटिन्यू करते हैं. अब मैं देखता हूँ जॉब पोस्टिंग हम लोग जितना भी करते हैं, जॉब पोस्टिंग वी विल सी, लेकिन जब तक डिस्कनेक्ट होता है ये कर. अच्छा, ओके. जो रिज्यूमे सर्च आया था नाउ, उसको क्या करते हैं हम लोग, यहाँ पे वी गेट द ब्रीफ ऑफ कैंडिडेट. द कैंडिडेट नेम इज निशु गोयल. 7 years of experience, our current CTC is 6.10. We will not find any resume which is beyond our search criteria. ठीक है, say is working. तो यहाँ पे if I click this blue name, I will get the detailed resume of this candidate. यहाँ पे I am getting only brief one. Similarly, Amit का resume also in the brief profile, name, CTC, experience, location, where he is working, what are his key skills. If this attracts me, if I am finding him okay for position, I can click on this and get his detailed resumes. नहीं तो suppose किसी का खोलते हैं, अमित का खोलते हैं, अमित का resume खोलते हैं. I've opened Amit's resume. Huh? This is Amit's full resume. This is the Naukri fields. While registering his resume, he has mentioned all these things: work summary, work experience. Now, there are few fields which Naukri give while registering your resume. So these are all Naukri's data or field. And then the person is required to attach his resume, which is here is the resume of Amit. I can download this resume and then we share it to client. So you will find a resume as attachment, and you will also find the other related fields which Naukri asks while registering anyone's resume. This is the email ID, this is the contact number, address, marital status, everything, language known. Fine. तो इस तरह से Naukri का search करते हैं हम लोग. And Naukri's logic is very good also. If you are looking for जितने भी search criteria हम लोगों ने दिए हैं, those search criteria are not working very strongly